What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Matic because once again we are forming here a really interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's video on the 4-hour chart. You can see that right now we are forming here this falling wedge, which is a bullish setup. And also, right now we are trying to break this resistance of this falling wedge. You can see that we tried this also in this previous candle, but this was just a fake out. So right now, if there will be a support confirmation, then I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity to open a long position. The first important resistance is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.923 and 0.904. So this can be your first take profit target, and another important resistance is this second bearish order block, which is between levels 1.18 and 1.17. So if there will be that support confirmation, then I think that this long trade can have a really good risk reward ratio. So let's now take a look on the exact trade. If there will be the support confirmation, as I said, I will be probably entering here a long trade. If you want to have a safe stop loss, me personally, I would put it under this previous low. So let's say a level approximately 0.770. And as the last take profit targets, I would choose the level approximately 1.195. Because if we will test this bearish order block, then there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we will swipe the liquidity above. But because we have more important resistances, there will be, let's say, really important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits definitely take under this bearish order block, then under this strong high, which is on the level 0.959, something like that. Then some of the profits under this bearish order block, and then save some back to the last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 6.5, something like that. But in my opinion, for this setup, it's a really good risk reward ratio. And if you want to have, let's say, really good risk reward ratio, you can just set, let's say, more risky stop loss. But me personally, I would put it under this previous low because, as I said, this stop loss will be pretty safe. On the other hand, this falling wedge can still give us an opportunity to opening a short trade. Personally, I don't like opening a short position on the setups like this, but if you want, there will be an option, and the possibility of entering a short position will be if this breakout will be a fake out again. So if we will see, for example, something like this, and then you can open here a short trade. But me personally, I wouldn't be taking this. But in this case, there will be really good risk reward ratio, because if you will put the stop loss just above these previous highs, and then, for example, your last take profit targets above this previous week high, it will give you a risk reward ratio like 9.94, so almost 10. And if you will put the stop loss on, let's say, lower levels, so if you will expect that we will take the liquidity under all these important previous lows, so you will, for example, put the last take profit, let's say, above this previous lows, then the risk reward ratio will be like 16. So in my opinion, the risk reward ratio here is pretty insane. But the potential or like probability of this trade is, in my opinion, pretty low. And even with this good risk reward ratio is, let's say, in my opinion, it's not worth of taking that risk. On the other hand, if we take a look on the daily time frame, you can see that we have here two important bearish order blocks. So if you will be opening a long position, let's say from this falling wedge on the daily time frame, so you will want to create here a long-term long position. Me personally, I would take definitely some of the profits under this first bearish order block, which is between levels 1.25 and 1.16, and some of them under this second bearish order block, which is between levels 1.74 and 1.60. And this can give you in definitely a couple of months, because this move is not happening in a couple of weeks, let's say a pump around 100 to 115% of the net market move, something like that. And yeah, in my opinion, it's definitely possible that Matic will in the upcoming bull market reach this bearish order block, and in my opinion it's let's say pretty high probability that we will reach higher levels, but this order block can be a pretty safe prediction. So yeah, if you are thinking about opening here a long position, definitely wait for that support confirmation again, this time probably on a daily time frame, but maybe the 4-hour chart is enough. And yeah, some of the profits take under this first bearish order block, and then save some back let's say under this second, and then again for the liquidity grab as the last take profit target. Okay, so these were the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. Also, you can see that on a daily time frame the RSI is still undervalued, because we are on the level like 28, 29, something like that. So there is definitely a room for another pump, but as I said, there are certain conditions that needs to be met, and if these conditions are not met, then I'm simply not entering here any trading position. But if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And yeah, that will be all from me for today, and I will see you in the next video. See ya!